Hey everyone, welcome to Chris's Granite Paradise if this is your first time with us, and welcome back if you've been with us before. Yesterday, Johan and I went to the mountains and we brought back a few big rocks for him and this beauty for me. I estimated this at 300 pounds. I think I mentioned that, as you'll see in the video, but I just measured it, and granite weighs 180 pounds a cubic foot on average, and this comes out to roughly 4 cubic feet, maybe even a little more. So that puts us at around, what, 720 pounds, I think? Let's be conservative and say it weighs 700 pounds. I was way off in my estimate. I cannot believe we got it stood up. As you'll see in this video, the process we did. And then this morning I came out and I was able to wobble it back and forth and get that piece of granite under there. I still want to fudge it a little more, make sure it's secure. But it is a beautiful addition here to the Granite Paradise front yard that I rarely show in the video. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was just muscling this thing around and getting that granite under it. So join me today and see how this got here. Yeah, if we could just get here. That one.
I'm probably gonna be able to do it myself.
Yeah.
Nope.
Johan has a great trick using these sheets of tough but flexible plastic whenever he moves his larger rocks. And it really works great to reduce friction, especially when we were winching the rocks up into his trailers. And now here we are manually pulling it back out, as you can see here.
It's catching on the... There we go.
Ready? Hold on.
Let me know when you're ready so we go together.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold it.
It's stuck on
It's
that.
pivoting, yeah.
I'm gonna use the board.
Again? Now it'll go.
Okay, ready?
Hold it. 1, 2. One way to do it. Your plastic might become a permanent fixture.
Well, it's your plastic. Unless I can
Get it out of there. You want to, because I can kind of pry with this. Or let's try it like this. Ready? Okay, now, right there is where it needs to stand up. We're not going to get it stood up though, I don't think. I want to try to get it stood up. I don't know, I'll be surprised if I can. Here's my hand for comparison. It's a big one. It probably weighs 300 pounds. But I tried leveraging it up and I was able to get it up quite a bit. So I'm going to try to stand it up at least to an angle where I can wash it off. I'm going to try to get this plastic out from under it. I would really prefer that it be in the backyard, but I don't know of a way that we can get it back there, at least for a while. So my hope is to stand it up onto this piece of granite which will be set down there in the dirt, and wash it off. This has that beautiful petrified wood structure where on this side, after we clean it off, you'll see it looks like the ends of straws basically, and then all the way around it, it's streaky. In fact, Johan found and isolated one of these straws that had popped out of the same type of material, and I'm curious to see what it looks like. He's gonna send me pictures of it. So first I'm gonna try to cut the plastic away. I don't want the plastic under the rock because it will form a impermeable barrier for water, which leads to frost. Sorry, Johan, for cutting up your plastic. Okay, good enough. So you guys might have seen in a recent video, I dug up some base stones that were buried here for a previous sculpture. And so luckily, all my gravel is already moved off. So that saves that part of it. Tamp down the dirt a bit. I'm imagining it'll shatter this when we go up, but at least it'll give it something. Look for some rocks that are kind of strong. Basically, I'm using two fulcrums at the same time. I kind of lift up on one while I'm shoving the other one in, and vice versa, and just trying to increase the angle that the rock is standing. I have found that you always want to have two or more, maybe even 3 or 4. I call them fulcrums. It's just rocks that you're wedging under there and pushing progressively forward to get a large rock like this to stand up. You want several of them so that if one fails, your hand doesn't get smashed. You want to make sure you're safe. I made a little bit of progress this way, but it became obvious that I was going to have to try something a little more aggressive. I've got it braced up enough now that the water will run off and it'll dry. So I'm going to go ahead and scrub it off. I can't get it up. So let's get rid of the rest of this plastic. Oh, wow. So I think if I get another guy, I think we can get it stood up. This is actually the flatter side, which is part of why I want that up. So the ugly side is going to be down and braced up. Yeah, let's get this cleaned off. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna scrub for a while and then we'll come back. Because of the freezing temperatures, I'm trying to use as little water as possible, as I don't want the ground or the rock to become saturated. So here it is, all cleaned off, at least as best as we can get it in this position. Unfortunately, it pools water right here, and we're gonna have, as you can see, it's getting to be winter here, so it's going to be below freezing. I need to try to get that out of there. I don't want any frost action working on this more than necessary. But you can clearly see very nice straight layers going left to right as we're looking at it. And on the end, you can see they're more, again, like I like to call it, we're looking at the end of a box of straws. Lots of circles, just odd shapes. You can kind of see some layering, but nowhere near as pronounced as on the sides. So it's really a cool piece. Yeah, we'll get some more muscle and stand it up here.
My daughter came along and was a great help considering she had no forewarning whatsoever.
Let me try it first.
You there?
Okay. Okay, now you can do it again. Are you ready? Going?
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Okay, now let's see what it feels like. We're trying this the Roman way.
Ah, careful. Use your legs. Ah!
I can almost get it.
Here, let me try. Ready?
Well, wait, because once we go up, we have to be prepared to hold it up. So I'm gonna pick up again like that, and you're gonna shove the brick in a little further. Ready? Keep going. Okay.
I don't think it's stuck. It's gonna slide.
No, it's holding.
No, it's not. Okay.
Okay, we're so close. Okay, now I can use this brick again. It could slide there.
Yeah. It's gonna slide, Dad.
Boy, we're so close.
What's I'm trying to do?
Okay, yeah, that's showing. So I'm just basically using fulcrums and levers to try to get this stood up. So I'm going to, oh, you can't push the brick. Yeah, that won't work. I'm gonna have you push the brick again. If it moves. Let's see if it moves first. Okay, I'd rather have you not have your toe there in case it flops. You know, just push down here, then it can't get it.
That's not gonna work.
Okay, push. Okay. Yeah, we might not get it any more than that. See, because to get it upright, you see what it feels like.
You can't get it upright.
I don't think it's close enough.
You can't. Careful! Yeah.
Okay, now
Push the brick. Ah!
can you
Okay. Brick's there.
okay, you got the brick there.
Ah! It's
Yeah,
gonna
it's
slide.
just gonna slide.
Can I what?
Hmm.
This isn't working.
See, we need to get.
It's not
Okay,
working.
Jen, take this rock
Uh-huh.
and you're gonna shove it. See where?
Here,
You're gonna
hold
shove
it.
it under.
You got it?
Yeah, you can let go of the brick. So now when I get this
No,
going.
no, Dad. I'm really nervous.
No, I got it.
No, you don't. Shove it away. Shove it away.
Okay, all right. If it won't go, don't worry about it. Okay, get it out of the way. In case. We might be able to get it under this end.
This is terrible. There, you got it. Right there. Good job. You did it. I don't know what you want me to do.
Well, as we get this more and more stood up, we're gonna get it braced.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
There it goes.
Leave it.
All right, we better
Leave it.
stop.
You're excited.
I'm excited. All right, but yeah, you
It's
see,
not
you
even
understand.
gonna stand like that.
Well, no, we're gonna get it because this side is ugly. It's bumpy,
No,
but
it's not.
if we can get it stood up to where one guy is holding it stood up, another guy can brace rocks around it. Thank you. That's as far as we were able to get. My daughter was very valiant. We will make another attempt. So what I decided to do, I took the piece of granite out because I think that's what was stopping us. And now I can pretty much stand it up by myself. So I think what we're gonna do is my daughter and I are gonna stand it up, get it braced up, And then after the fact, with more calm, we'll tip up one end, shove some stone under it, tip up the other end, shove some stone under it, and try to get it elevated a little bit. So let's see if we can do this. Things always sound easier than they are. It's not gonna happen, she says. Yeah, so this is what was stopping us. We were kind of bracing against it. So we'll try that later.
I don't like this.
So all you're gonna
Dad,
do...
you're gonna hurt yourself. What am I doing?
It almost rolled.
What am I doing? What am I doing?
Okay, we need to... So this rock down here...
Look.
See, this rock is wedge-shaped.
Yes, Dad.
You're gonna
What? Where am I
stick-
putting it?
You're gonna slide it under when I push this up.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2... Okay,
It's
let's
not
do...
under it.
Yes.
It's
We
not-
gotta get rid of this. Okay, ready? I'm gonna try.
It's not under it. It's not happening. It's not happening.
Okay. Yeah, I got it so far.
Is it
Now
stuck?
I'm gonna come to the other side.
Dad. No, dude. You're gonna have her land on it. What are you doing?
So I'm gonna pull back and you're gonna shove again.
There.
Shove, shove. There we go. That's all it took. Oh, now that is a rock. But all right, thank you. I think that's where it's gonna be for now. All right, we got it stood up. But I don't like the fact that it's sitting in dirt. But at least now we can prop up one end, shove something under it, prop up the other end, and so forth. Oh, the sun came out. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub this side off while we got some daylight. We'll do a better job scrubbing it after it's all in place. I don't want to turn it into a mud hole underneath. But there it is. But that is a spectacular piece of what I call a box of straws. The lighting's not very good, but you can see the pattern here. Very nice. I'll get rid of all this plastic and it'll look a lot better here.
This was sure a fun project, and I am glad you guys came along with me. I hope those of you who are up here in the north are enjoying the last of the autumn colors. Soon it will be snowing. I also hope that you will like and share this video among your rock hounding circles, as it really does help out the channel. God bless you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next adventure.